Hi, my name is Aaron Wong, the president of Electromax Inc., a high-tech manufacturing company located in San Jose of California. Today I'm going to introduce two products that we design for the industry of refineries. One is the flame rod detector, another one is the power pack. Here I'm going to introduce a great friend of mine, Mr. Lalit Mehta, who is also the industrial veteran, and he gave a lot of input to this design, and I'm going to let Mr. Mehta to further explain the technical detail of these products.
Hello everyone, my name is Lalit Mehta. I have been in flame safety systems and burner management systems for over 40 years. I know most of the product that is available in the market, and based on this experience we decided to develop two new products. One is a flame rod combination with a Honeywell C7027 mini peeper that can be used in one unit, and I will go through some of the salient features of this particular product. And the second one is a sparker, a 2 joule sparker system that allows us to select different things, including it allows you to select how often the sparker should come on automatically for the duration of 2 seconds. So let me first go through the flame safety system, or the IFM, Industry of Flame Monitoring. This is the package that we have. That package includes a plug-in device, and it has got so many features in it that I would like you to go through one by one. Number one, currently most of the IFM are either 110 or 220 ACs. We have designed this system that will take both 24 volt DC, 12 volt DC, 110 volt AC and 220 volt AC. Not only that, but you can mix AC and DC to back each other up. The second part of it, none of the IFM for the flame rod has what we call a flame failure response time, adjustable response time. We have included in here the dip switches that will allow you to select in 1 second increment the flame failure response time. So you can have 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. That's the maximum. The fourth dip switch there allows you to select IFM or C7027 mini peeper. The other feature is that the whole system is a fail-safe, and it will allow the output that will be flame relay plus a fault relay, and the fault relay contact is internally wired to the flame relay, making it even super safe. The plug-in device, plug-in design allows you to readily replace it in the field in case if it fails. So here are the few things that we should know. One, the first light on the top is a power on. Hope you can see it from the video. The number 2 is a flame on light, and number 3 is a fault light. And all these 3 lights will demonstrate to you in a minute. So let me just first show you how we have set it up. This is our flame rod. Okay, and here we have a little gas simulator, flame rod and a gas simulator. This is wired into the device. The meter here will indicate the analog output from the system, that is, you can use it for your own purpose. There's another feature that not any of the IFM, the flame rod system, has in a currently available marketplace. So you'll see also the milliamp outputs or microamp outputs. So let me first start by introducing you or showing you how the flame rod works. So we are in a flame rod mode now, and I'm going to turn it on. And you should be able to see the milliamp signal coming up. Okay, I'm trying to get rid of this one here, and it's 6.13. And the flame here, you can see power on, and you can see flame on, and there's no fault light. So now I'm going to stop this just for a second, and then sorry. And now I'm going to show you how the C7027 works. So let me try one more time. You can see from here the flame signals are 0, and there's no output. So let me just change the setting here to the flame rod. Sorry, to the C7027. And again, now I'm going to use this guy here to look at it. And you can probably see now the voltage or the current coming out. And again, power, flame on, and fault relay. Hope this demonstrates to you that we can use this device in a both industrial and refinery because it's a highly reliable unit. So again, to summarize it, multiple input, AC and DC, flame failure response time can be selected 1, 2 or 3 seconds, plug-in feature, analog output, fault relay output, flame relay output, and the size is approximately 4 inches by 3 inches by about 2.5 inches. Okay, with a depth maybe about 6 inches, with a base. This is just a rough video we have made to show you. If you need the specification of the product, we'll be very happy to send it out to you. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we'll be very happy to answer any questions you may have. Now, as far as the approval is concerned, currently we don't have any approval on it because we are waiting for a sponsor to help us in that area. But the way the design is that there are no software requirement. In other words, a UL 1980 or equivalent in EU system is not necessary. This is all hardwired in a way without any software. So it should be much easier to get the the approval as we don't have to go through this exercise of going through the software check. Thank you again. If I have missed anything, I'm sorry, but I think I covered everything, so I hope this video is helpful to you to understand this new product we have. And we'll talk a little bit about the power pack. Hello again. Today I want to show you the power pack that we have designed. This power pack delivers 2 joules of energy at 1000 volt DC through a mini spark tip, and the device is both DIN mounted or it can be a plug-in. The version we are showing you here is for DIN mounting. Let me just go through some of the features, then we will show you the actual operations. 12 volt DC or 24 volt DC and a return line for the DC side. AC here, the common plus 110 or 220. This switch here enables or disables the spark. This is a very good feature for safety reason. If somebody is servicing the equipment at the burner front, we can put this unit into disable mode that will not allow the sparker to go even though power is applied to the system. And then we have one more item, that is your continuous spark or interrupted spark. In interrupted mode, the spark can be adjusted to, the output can be adjusted to provide 2-second sparks every 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds in increment of 1 second up to 8 seconds. So there are 8 settings that allows you to periodically spark, and that will, main reason for that would be to increase the life of the sparking tip. It has also got the LEDs here, power, fault. So if there is any internal fault, it will show up here, in the system, and when it's sparking, the spark on light will come on. The high tension cabling is right at the bottom. So let me now just turn on. Currently we have just hooked it up to 12 volt DC. So I'm going to turn on the power to 12 volt, and you'll see the system will start sparkling. I put it at 10.9, and you'll see this, it will continuously spark now. Okay. You notice there is a recovery time, but the recovery time is a very short time, and it recovers it and then it sparks. Now, the irregularity of the spark is mainly because of the spark tip. If the spark tip is pretty good, then it should spark almost continuously, Okay. Let me now turn it off. And oh, by the way, you should see that every time it sparks, the light comes on. I don't know if the video can pick it up or not, but there's a blue light coming on here. So let me just turn it off now, and I'm going to now change this to interval sparking. My glasses on to see. Excuse me. Yeah, okay, we are on interval now, and you will see the difference now. So there is an interval of 2 seconds, and then it will spark again. Okay, as you can see, and we can adjust this interval by simply rotating this switch here. I'm going to change the setting a little bit, and you can see what happens, okay? You can see the interval has now increased, and it sparks less time in that given period. So I hope this will demonstrate to you that this part of the system is also very unique. This will be a very useful in a places where AC power is not available, like in a field area, and that would be a bonus by just using a solar panel to generate 12 volt DC. We can also demonstrate the same thing on AC, but please take my word for it, it works both ways. Thank you. Thank you for your time.